David here from Lightcomm. We're out on site today with a two-way radio customer doing a bit of fitting on the radios. He's also requested 2 sets of lights for the Fendt. We're quite happy to fit the lighting when it goes with the radios. We don't generally travel out to do lighting exclusively. So we've got a full 2 sets of crawler lighting, 2 Motorola radios, handhelds and a few more bits and pieces. And what we're doing is both Fendts are on original factory halogen lights. They're going to get upgraded to the full LED kits, and we're adding in a couple extra LEDs. And also, as I said, the digital two-way radios are getting fitted. So hang around and see what we're about to do. So the 2 tractors have been fitted out there, head to toe, with the full complement of work lights, headlights and park lights. So everything you see there is a mix of the work lights, the road legal headlights and the park lights. No fault codes thrown. Everything is plug and play, everything is 2-year warranty. Additional lighting added on the side here. That's using a splitter cable, and on the back up top that's a new plate and a splitter cable to add the light. The Fendt is well able to take this, the loom is fit to take it, the relays are fit to take it, there's no issue there. So what you're getting is a full 360 of light really, which is the key thing to know here. By adding these extra ones in, you're allowed to turn them out to the side, so you've got floods, spots and extra whites. Headlights road legal. Everything you need for a Fendt, be it you can go SCR to S4 by using these, any S4 and obviously every other model and every other tractor brand in between that we can sort you out. So 1 on original, 1 on new LED with an addition of an extra light out the side and 1 up the top to give you the full 360, ideal for mowing or anything like that. Out with the old, in with the new. We have a bucket load of lights here today for these 2 Fendt 516s. Upgraded to add additional lighting. So you have headlights there, road legal, no fault. You have park lights, no fault. High level headlights, all the work lights. We have additional work lights added. The back has got additional work lights on a new bracket. All lighting is crawler lighting, 2-year warranty. All 5 to 5,500 lumen. High quality, high grade, Lightcomm, Ireland and UK, get in touch.